Hey, in today's video, I'm going to show you a very cheap way to make money online through affiliate marketing. This is a very effective method. So first and foremost, I want you to go to whereyourplus.com. You click here to free sign up. The moment you have that, you're going to get redirected to this page. You fill out all the fields. You tick I'm not a robot and then create an account. The moment you have that, you're going to receive an email and just to activate your Where Your Plus account. Again, I'm not going to do that because I already have an account with them. I'm just going to get back and I'm going to log in. So basically, just to show you where you're going to land. And all right, so for example, yeah, the moment you get here, what you do, I want you to get here to affiliate, and then you click on offers. Now we're gonna have a list of products that's gonna come out. And guys, so here, these are the rules if you wanna promote a good product, if not a great product. First and foremost, I want you to look over sales, okay? We don't want a product, you must make sure that this product has at least 500 sales, at least between 500 and 1,000, that's the minimum, okay? And make sure as well that the conversion rate is great compared to the average. I mean, if it's 20%, so for example, here we can see that 20% is great. Even 16, 14, 17, that's not bad. Again, the higher the better. But yeah, when it comes to and you want to see the price. You want to see the price. Make sure that the price is not extremely high, and of course not extremely low, so that you can make you can bank on some decent commissions. And as for the refund rate, that's an important part as well, because we don't want to sell a product that has many refunds, because that shows that the product is not that good. So make sure you find the balance between the price, between the average number of sales, and the conversion rate. Okay. So the moment you have that, what you do, so for example, I'm just going to pick a product random. You pick up this one, they say we request it. Okay. The moment, again, you can send send the request to as many products as you want. So the moment we have that, what you can see. Okay, so the vendor is called MBCAC. All right, so we want to see. So the way it normally works is that you should get here to request approval. You click on this button and then you tell them. So basically, you just tell them why you love their product and how you're going to help them to promote it. Okay, it's very simple. Just be as honest as you can. If you have a YouTube channel, if you have a Facebook group, if you have whatever, if you have an email list, just tell them how you can help them out. Okay, so the moment you have that, you click on request offer. Okay, so that's how it normally works. But I'm gonna show you a shortcut so that you don't have to go where beneficiaries are and go to where you can have you can get very quickly approved, because sometimes they don't approve you quickly and sometimes never on Where Your Plus, because again, they have so many approval requests. What you want to do, you get here, we want to get their names, and I'm going to tell you why. So you get here, as you can see, the affiliate information. We are on the product. You scroll down. We have no, we're not looking for that, sorry. No, where is it? Yes, there you go. Yeah, this is the view sales page. You click on the button. That's gonna take us to the main or the landing page of the product that you're gonna be promoting. You can look at it. Again, you can look at it, but here what we're doing is that we're looking for the name of the course creator, and I'm gonna tell you why. Okay, so Russell Branson, okay. And that's the beauty of that, is that they give you a page which is already working, which is already trustworthy, that inspires trust. You don't have to do anything on your own. All you have to do is just to bring traffic, find a way to bring traffic and people to buy. And of course, whenever you want to do something, just make sure that the product is decent, just has a good reputation. We don't want to sell garbage. Okay. So what you do, okay, there you go. Here is his name is Matt Bakek, okay, Bakak or something like that. But anyway, you got the name. You got the name here, and that's what you should be always doing. Get the name of the course creator. I believe, yeah. Get the name of the course creator, and yeah. So basically, that's him. Just remember his face because that's gonna help you out with identifying him on Facebook or yeah, preferably Facebook. So what you do, you go to Facebook, search for his name, whatever name it is. As I told you, it's Matt Bakak. Again, I'm telling you, you can apply this to any course. What you do, you just get the course, go to the landing page, and then find their names. Go to Facebook, look them up, and send them a DM, okay, a direct message. That's gonna put you ahead of 99.99% of people who just request the approval on Warrior Plus. So generally the answer with, it's gonna be quick. So generally it's around between 1 to 3 days on average. So the moment you have that, the moment you get approved, then of course you just tell them on Facebook. You tell them that you said whatever you said before. Hey, I love your product, and I can help you like this and like that. And they just sent the approval request on Warrior Plus. My username is. I would highly appreciate if you could approve me as soon as you can. Thank you. Your name. Of course, they can't say no. I mean, you've been nice to them. You told them how you're gonna promote their product. I mean, they want more sales. They need more sales. That's why they're putting their products on Warrior Plus. So this being said, the moment you have that, you're gonna get approved. You're gonna receive an email notification telling you that congratulations, you've been approved to Warrior Plus. I mean, to whatever to the product to promote the products. In our case, for example, this one. But no, I want you to apply to as many products as possible if you can. Again, just to test whatever works best for you. And the moment you have that, that's where the magic comes. We need, now that we have an account, now that we have products to promote, great products, we need an affiliate program. I mean, we need a way to bring traffic. Again, if you go through Facebook ads, etc., you're gonna spend a lot of money. So that's where the magic comes. I'm gonna show you this website that I just found out, which is Shoutcard. Okay, so shoutcard.com. Okay, so shoutcard.com. You get it here. Okay, you register for free. You say that you're buying services, your brand, you're buying services, and then you fill out the requirements and then you log in. Okay. But as you can see here, you have big brands on Shoutcard, including Calm, meditation app, MVMT, Cameo, Shopify, TikTok, BigCommerce. That's a very big platform. Where you have Instagram influencers. So what you want to do, you get here. As you can see, we have Acon, which is selling one post for $195. Ludacris, Martin Lawrence. Again, you have so many people. But what I want you to do is that you don't have to go through with these people. Just go. Okay, let me show you. Browse. So those are big influencers. So what I want you to do, as you can see, you don't have the prices, but the moment you're gonna log in, you're gonna find the prices. You will see what's the average price if you wanna promote whatever product, if you wanna shout out. And you can even choose your category. That's the beauty of it. Again, if the category, for example, let's say you're on Warrior Plus, you're in anything related to, just keto diet or whatever, you can select people already in the food and nutrition category. Again, so the moment you have that, you sign up, you're gonna find the price. So basically the average price is between $20-$30 for a shout out. You don't wanna go that big now. You don't wanna go for $100 or $70. Just, keep it simple, keep it cheap. And the moment you start making money, then you can test more and at a higher price. So what we want to do, we will give them this link. I mean, your affiliate link, the moment you're going to get approved from the product, and you just send them. You just send it to your, okay, let me see this one. And then you send it, oh, we don't have that. So basically you send it to this influencer, okay? Yeah, so what they're gonna do, they're just gonna put the post, they're gonna put the shout out, and they're exposed to thousands, if not millions of people. And so many people are gonna see it, just a few sales, and that's it, you're breaking even, and hopefully you get to a profit. Because generally that's how it works. You're gonna have thousands of people that are gonna see the product, just sometimes depending on the price, 2, 3, 5 sales, and that's it, you're already in profit. So again, that doesn't cost much at all, and that's why I'm telling you, I'm encouraging you to take, you know, just to take a shot at it. So, for example, you have here $30. Look at this. So he will put, again, not as a permanent shout out, that's for 2 hours. No, I wouldn't recommend that. And again, something that I wanted to tell you. So, for example, here, if you go to Acon, look at this. He's charging $195 for a permanent post. That's extremely crazy. But the problem is that, look, the success rate is only 24%. Okay, so make sure you find people with a higher success rate. So, for example, let's say we go into this one. How about that? All right, so that's $20 for 2 hours. But again, whenever you're going to create an account, you're going to scroll down all of these accounts, you're going to see that people that generally would put a permanent post for $20-30. So guys, yeah, and make sure whenever you get into any, so for example, let's say you get to Ludacris, okay? Make sure you get here. So Ludacris has a higher success rate, 53%. But make sure you read their description just in case they ask you to, yeah, they can even give you the demographics. That's when you're gonna log in, you're gonna see the average demographics, the countries. Yeah, and that's it. What you're gonna do, you add to campaign, you pay the price, and you tell them, you give them the link, you give them the post, what you want them to write in the post, and that's it, bingo. Yeah, just make sure you read the description, you read below just to ensure that you give them whatever product that they need. Because some people, they would say, oh, you know what, but I would only promote this kind of category or these types of categories of products, not more. So just make sure you read so that you don't have to go through the whole process of adding them and just then you receive then you get rejected. Okay. All right, guys, I hope you found this video very helpful. So please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. You found it very helpful, just share it to your beloved ones. And don't forget to activate the notification bell button so that you can't miss any beast video like this one. Up until then, see you next time. Keep crushing it and leave me a thumbs up. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye.